guys, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, you guys, I will be trying to unbox or unbag this subscription again. This is the second time I will be filming this video. The first time my lighting was just off. When I was editing it, I thought that I could fix it, but I just didn't like how it looked, so I decided to just refilm it. I got a great look off of that video though, so I will be posting that on my Instagram. Definitely follow me there. So for today's video, I will be unbagging my December Lashy box. Like I mentioned on my last unboxing, I decided to try the drama box. I am subscribed to the full size box, but I decided to go ahead and try the other boxes because the drama box, you guys, has the lengthy lashes. I believe they're 22 to 24 mm of length of lashes, and those are pretty long compared to the regular lashes that I wear. So I wanted to see what it looks like on me. I decided to switch it up this month, so I hope that you guys are interested in seeing those lashes on me. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are liking my videos, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on my next uploads. So if you guys are interested in seeing the drama box from Lashybox, then just keep on watching. The drama box actually came in a bag, so the drama bag looks like this. I usually get it in a little box, maybe because of the palette, because the palette is pretty big. It won't fit on the small box that I get with my full-size box. You guys, my dogs are down here fighting, so I'm sorry about the noise. I decided to put everything back in here so we can do a little bit of surprise when I show you guys the products. This is $12.99, but you do have to pay shipping, and the full size is $13.99 plus shipping. For the full size, I received 4 lashes, usually 2 from Lashybox and 2 from a different brand, and then I do get a makeup or beauty products. Those are always plus, and then you usually get a glue for your lashes, but I don't use those glue. But with this one, you guys, for December, I got 3 lashes from, you know what, let's just do like a little unbagging, The first one is from the brand Cala. This is a 3D Faux Mink weightless volume and curl lashes, and this is in the style Jessie. This is what the box looks like. So this is the first lashes that we are gonna try, and the second pair is this gorgeous pair right here. So this is in the style Dream. I think that they only put about 1 or 2 of the very lengthy lashes in your box. Not all 4 lashes are all long lashes. The next 2 lashes, you guys, are perfect for the holiday. If you know someone who loves lashes, you can definitely purchase this. I'm sure it is available on their site. I will definitely double check and I will let you guys know in the description below. But look how cute they are. You can put them on your Christmas tree. You can definitely give them these lashes because they are so cute. Usually this type of lashes are like $9.99 on their site. So definitely check them out. So these lashes are Cookie and Angel, and all 3 of their lashes are all 3D silk lashes, and this one is a Faux Mink lashes. Like I said, they do throw in a glue in here, but I don't use this. I use my Duo Glue, or when I do my try on, I do use my Zola Lashes Magic Lash Liner. You guys, it is the best if you don't like glue. We also have a palette in this month's bag. This is from Illuminati x Isabel Bedoya. This is a glam palette. It's been loved because I used it on the other video. I wish that video turned out good because the look that I have on that video is really nice. So these are the shades that we have in this palette, you guys. This one right here and this one right here are definitely different than the rest. So this one, it's pressed very lightly on the pan, so definitely be careful with it because it, when you swatch it a little bit, it does crumble a little bit. And this one is a pressed glitter right here, and the rest are just shimmer and mattes. I will do the look at the end of the video just because when you try on lashes, it just doesn't show as well if you have colored on your lid. So I do like doing a bare lid when I'm doing my try on for the lashes. So let's get to it. If you are new, I do like showing you up close with the lashes. I will try on the first pair with you, and then the other ones will just be bam 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 bam. We are done. Let's get to this one first. This is the first one that we're gonna try. So they are all pre-cut already because again, this is the second time I'll be filming this video. It's gonna take me like another 10 hours to do this, but it's okay. It's for you guys. So we're gonna try this one first. This is our first lashes. As you can see, it is pretty lengthy, and the band on this is you know, it's pretty thin. That is good because for a lengthy lashes, you don't want a heavy band. This is the Zola Magic Lash Liner I'm talking about. So it just looks like a regular felt tip liner. You just apply it like you would your liquid eyeliner, and it is a lash glue. So I think that is pretty neat. I like using this when I do my lash try on, just because I don't have to worry about glue and keep on reapplying glue. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the first pair. I do this all the time, so I am just gonna pop this on. Even though it is lengthy, it is so comfortable on the eyes. I mean, of course, you know, you have lashes on. I mean, it's like little tiny spider legs up there on your eyeballs. But you guys, it is so comfortable on the lid, and I am a low-key loving this length. It is not overwhelming. I think this is a perfect first very lengthy lashes for me to try on. I think that it is gorgeous, and I think that it still complements my eyes. I want you guys to comment below after you watch the whole video and let me know which long ones, because we have two long ones in here, which one you guys like on me the best. I think I can get used to wearing this one just because it's not too thick. The hairs are not so close to each other that it just takes over your eyes. We all seen those type of lashes. There are some that looks good on some, and there's some that's just, it's kind of taken away from your eyes, and you know, we're not going for that. I think it looks good on the camera. I'm sure it's gonna look good on the picture. So what do we think? Do you like this style, guys? Let me know. This is the second pair, you guys. This is in the style Angel. Double check on that one. Yes, this is a 3D silk lashes. This has a long layer on the front, and then it has a short layer on the back. I like this style too. This is the style that I didn't really think that I would like on my eyes. I used to be so stuck on the short to long lashes, but this one complements my eyes really nice as well. So you can use lashes that have the same style like this, that have a long piece right here, that it would curl up and kind of hide this area right here if you have hooded lids. If you don't like using eyelid tape, I use eyelid tape just to even out and just kind of recede my lid a little bit more because of my hooded lid. But if you don't like doing all that extra stuff, then you can try lashes like this that would kind of hide that hooded eyelids. Just, you know, something to think about, something to try. This length right here is what I'm comfortable with, so I really like this style. So this is Angel. I have so many lashes that I found from Lashybox that I am in love with, so I'm so excited to add this to that little area. I have a lash holder over there by my door. I can't keep up with all my lashes, but I love it, you guys. I love it. I don't think I'll stop with this subscription just because I'm in love with lashes, you guys. I'm sure you are too. This is our third lashes. This is in the style Cookie. You have the short to long style, and this definitely has a lot of layer. You probably can't see it, but it is a 3D silk lashes. It's definitely gorgeous on the eyes. It looks good on my eyes. I'm sure it's gonna look good on your eyes as well. If you love that cut eye look, this is the perfect lashes to use. You know, you have that short to long. It just gives you that cat eye flare that everybody loves. It just complements a lot of eye shapes, if not all eye shapes. I love this this style on me. Give it a try. But first, let me know what you think about this one. If I can only wear one style of lashes, this is definitely gonna be my pick. I think it complements my eyes. So if you have the same eye type as I do, eye shape as I do, give this one a try. Do your wing liner and give it a go, and I bet you will love it too. This is our last pair, you guys. Can you see this? This is in a style Dream. Look at all this length of these lashes. You do have a short pieces in between the long length, and you do have spaces between clusters. There is a crisscross pattern on the lashes. You would think because of the thickness and the length of the lashes that it would be heavy, but it's not heavy at all. If you're used to wearing lashes, then this would be nothing to you. But of course, if you are a beginner with lashes, and this is definitely gonna weigh down on your eyes. I mean, not like weigh down where you can't open your eyes, because it is very light. Just glad to have something like this in my collection. So let's put on the other one. You guys, I feel like every time I blink, I'm causing a windstorm somewhere out there. I hope not. I hope not, but it just feels like such a powerful lashes. It's doing something. It's definitely not weighing down my eyes. I'm really surprised about that. I thought that this would take over my eyes, and it would just close up my eyes, and it would just take over all my lids, but it's not doing and none of that. So I'm glad that the two pairs that I have in the box are great pair, because this definitely a keeper. I am gonna take pictures with these lashes for the thumbnail and probably for the gram, and then I'm gonna clean up the lid and we're gonna get started with the palette. Here are the swatches for the top row. The shimmer on the bottom, you guys, it felt so good when you swatch it. It is definitely pressed lightly and not compact as the other shadows. And that bright green one, you guys, it feels so soft, like a butter. Gorgeous shades. This is the swatches for the middle row. That blue one, look at that. Look at that vibrancy, you guys. This palette, I'm telling you, it gives you so many different feel when you're swatching it. And these are the last row, you guys. Look at that black shade. And this one right here is a pressed glitter. This is from Illuminati, ex Isabel Bedoya. So she's very popular on Instagram. She does mini tutorial on Instagram. This is her glam palette, and she designed this whole thing right here. And this is the, you saw it earlier, but this is the shades that we are going to be working today. I already prepped the lid with my Gel Cosmetics eye base. You need to give that a try because it's such a good eye base. I know you can use it as a concealer as well, so give it a try. I will link it in the description below. Let's go ahead and take Addy, this one right here. That's going to go on the crease and probably all over the lid. I like to pack on the shade and then pull it out this way, so it'll give me that cut eye lifted look. And I do like to bring up my colors pretty high up right here, because when I do my cut crease, I need to be able to see all these colors up here. Because of my hooded lids, you guys know that we have to go above all these all this fold that we got going on right here. So if you have hooded lids, it's good to kind of look up here and there, so you know that you are going above that folded lids. So I'm bringing that pretty high up. And now we're gonna go ahead and take Rose right here. We're just gonna skip that one. We're gonna go to Rose and just darken up everything that we just did. And I'm gonna take Trust right here just to deepen up the outer V and the crease. You guys know my process. I mean, if you want to know how to do cut crease, you came to the right place. Now we're gonna go to this black one right here. You guys, just one thing I want to say about this black, it's definitely not right in your face black shade. You definitely have to build this up. So you guys can see it doesn't give you like a black shade right away, like a pigmented black right away. Ooh, I'm gonna apply some powder right here. I forgot to mention that whatever shade I use on the top, I went ahead and applied on the lower just to save me some time. So I just used a little bit of concealer to clean up this area right here. And you guys, I used the Gerard Cosmetics to clean up my crease for the first time because I've been trying to ration myself when it comes to the eye base because I love it as a base. But to clean up the lid, you guys, it is so good. It's hiding all the shadows that I applied. I mean, that is a dark shadow and it is covering it, so I like it. I didn't set the lid just yet. We're gonna take this Azul, this one right here. I already spread some my brush, and that's gonna go on our lid right here. Ooh. I definitely had to work for that pigment on the lid, but I think I got it. And now I just cleaned up that little line right there. I applied some glitter glue, and I'm gonna go for the Purple Dream, and we are gonna pack that on that lid. I have so much shadows on my lashes. I don't even know how I'm going to clean all this up, but we're going to figure it out. I'm going to go back to our dark shades, probably this two right here. Just go back and forth on the side and just blend. Go to this black one, Soul. And then I'm going to go back and forth with the blue one as well because we need to make sure that it is a good blend. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, clean all this up, do some lashes. I don't know which lashes I'm going to put on yet, and I'll be right back. This is the completed look on the eyes. I used the first lashes that I tried on, which is Jessie, the lengthy one from Cala. I think it is gorgeous on the eyes. It's not hiding all this hard work that I just did. Cut crease and trying to be creative. It's definitely a lot of hard work, but it's okay because when you finish it and you see the end result, you get so excited and you're like, yes, I did that. So I definitely enjoyed the palette this second time around. I feel like I I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I enjoyed it this time around. The first time I used it, this one right here gave me problem. It applied on the lid really well, and then it kind of disappeared, so I had to go with this one right here. My favorite shadow is this one right here. It's just when you apply it on your lid, it just gives you so many colors. It's so pretty, you guys. It's like a unicorn just on your lid. It is so pretty. And then the lashes, my favorite is definitely Cookie, which is the short to long lashes. That's the style that I like, and I think that it complements my eyes. I'm definitely happy that I went ahead and gave Drama-Box a go because I got to try on this lengthy beautiful lashes. I think that you know, it looks okay on my eyes. It's definitely something that I need to get used to, but I don't think it's something that I'm gonna be permanently subscribing to. I'm for sure gonna go back to my full size box. I just wanted to explore the other boxes, and I believe they have two more boxes which are mini. I think I'm gonna skip that one, and then they have XL. So I'm really curious to see what they put on that box because I think it is $25. How many lashes do we get in that box? So I definitely want to give that a go maybe next month. So you definitely need to be subscribed to my channel, turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on my next upload. I don't think I have anything else to say, but thank you so much for watching. Everything that you guys need to know is going to be in the description below. I always list everything that I use in the description below. If you have anything that you want to say or ask me, definitely comment. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.